Okay, students, let's start with word problem which everyone finds it difficult. So today we are going to cover four types of sums related to quadratic equation, and these are problem based on numbers. So as you can see on the screen, the first question, I'll read the question for you all. Sum of two natural number is 14 and sum of their reciprocal is 7 upon 24. Find the number. It's very simple. There are two parts. The first part, let the number be x. Fine. The sum of the two natural number is 14. So from that 14, if x is gone, the other number will be 14 minus x. So we are ready with two numbers. Okay, according to the condition. Now see the second condition. The second condition is the sum of the reciprocal. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon 14 minus x is equal to 7 upon 24. Now we'll solve the sum. It's very simple. Now once the equation is formed, students, it becomes very easy to solve. So let's see. So it is 14 minus x plus x upon. We'll open the brackets. Okay, we'll not open the bracket. We'll first write it is equal to 7 upon 14. Cut. Now we can make a calculation very easy. If you see, right, this is 24. So it becomes 14 upon. Let us open the brackets. So it becomes 14x minus x square is equal to 7 upon 24. Let us make a calculation more easier. So it will be 14 into 24 upon 7 is equal to, we've got that 7 down, 14x minus x square. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So we are left with 48 is equal to 14x minus x square. Fine. Now we'll frame this in the proper quadratic equation. So the proper quadratic equation is, take everything on the left hand side. So x square minus 14x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now here is the part when students don't understand their jet. So now we have to split the middle term. We have to find the factor of 48 in such a way that the sum, we add those product or subtract the product, the sum should be 14. So as far as we can see, 6 8s is 48 and minus 6 minus 8 is minus 14. So we are successful in splitting the middle term. So it is x square minus 8x minus 6x plus 48 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 minus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So value for x is 6 or x is equal to 8. I hope you understood. So find the numbers. The numbers are 6 and 8, and if you see the condition, it will match with the condition. The sum is 14, 6 plus 8 is 14. So our first condition is fulfilled. And let us see the sum of their reciprocal. For example, if it is 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 8, if I do LCM, this is checking I am doing. So it will be 8 plus 6 upon 48, that is 14 upon 48. So if I cut with 2 cuttable, so 2 sevens are and 2 24s, meaning our answer is correct. So the required numbers are required numbers are 6 and 8. I hope you understood. This sum was simple sum. Now let us take a little difficult one. There's nothing like difficult one, students. You need to understand the language of maths and just convert it. Okay, you need to understand and convert it into the mathematical expression. Okay, let us start reading the next one. The difference of square of two natural number is 180. This time I'll assume two numbers as x and y. Fine. So let us read further. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the number. So first we need to decide who is larger one and who is the smaller one. So let us assume the larger one as, so the larger number we will take as x and smaller number we will take it as y. The whole sum will go ahead by keeping in mind x and y, x as larger number and y as smaller number. So let us start. The difference of square of two natural numbers. So difference of square, it's natural numbers, so it cannot be negative. The x square minus y square is 180. This what is the condition till here. So if we read this 180. Further, the square of smaller number. X is a smaller number. So square of square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Correct, students? Oh, we have done a mistake. We have square of the square of the smaller number. So smaller number is, so read carefully, the square of smaller number. The smaller number here, the smaller number is y. So y square is 8 times the larger number. Fine. Okay. If you see the first one, this is the first condition and this is the second condition. If you see carefully, can I substitute the value of y square in equation 1? Yes, I can do that. So it will be x square minus 8x is equal to 180. I hope you understood this. Instead of y square, I have substituted equation number 2y square is equal to 8x. So the quadratic equation is in front of you. So x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Find the factors of 180 which will give you 8. Can I say 18 into 10? Yes, 18 into 10 is 180 and we can split 18 into 10. 18 and 10 is minus 8. So it will be x square minus 10x. Correct? Is it correct, students? It is minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. Group. So it will be x minus 18 plus 10 x minus 18 is equal to 0. I hope you understood this. Now from this group and group, what is common? X minus 18, correct? X plus 10 is equal to 0. So we'll equate each factor to 0. So x is 18 and x is minus 10. If you read carefully, it's a natural number. So we need to discard this. So we got a larger number. Yes, correct, students? X is the larger number. So we got a first number, larger number, that is 18. Can I find the smaller number by using equation 2? Yes. So using equation 2. What is equation 2? It's y square is equal to 8x. Fine. So y square is equal to 8 into 18. We are not interested in y square, we are interested in y. So y is equal to root 8 into 18. I think 18 into 8 is 144. Correct, students? It is 144. So let us find y का value. So y is equal to 12. Yay. So find the larger number, find the numbers. The question says find the numbers. So let us find the numbers. The numbers are the required numbers are the required numbers are the smaller number and the larger number. Let us write larger number first. So the larger number is 18 and the smaller number is 12. I hope you understood to frame the equation. Now let us tackle one more sum with digits. Before we start with digits, let us understand how the digits and the numbers are formed. Okay? So here I will teach you how to tackle this question by making a table. Fine, we'll read the sum. Two-digit positive number is such that the product of the digit is 8. So students, it's very simple. It's your decision whether you want to take x as unit place or y as tens place. Recollect, in your lower class, your mother must have told you 32. 32 is a number and 3 and 2 are the digits where 2 is in the units place and 3 is in the tens place. Here we know the digits, but in algebra we'll assume. So let us assume, see, you can assume anything, but you have to follow throughout that only. So we will first form tens place and units place. Okay. And originally, we'll take originally tens place maybe we will take x and unit place maybe we will take y. Okay. Now we'll read this. So according to this, according to units place and tens place, what will be a number? What will be a number, students? Number will be 10x plus y. I hope you understood this. So whenever such kind of sums come, you have to decide what is x, digit as a units place and digit as 10 place. Right now I have decided y in units place and x as tens place. But whatever you decide in the beginning has to be followed till the end. Okay, let us read the sum. Two-digit positive number is such that product of the digit is 8. Okay, so product of the digit, that is x into y, is 8. Okay, so we got first equation. Let us read further. If 18 is added to the number, okay, so the condition is if 18 is added to the number. Yeah, number, the examiner means the whoever have made the sum means original number. If I add 18 to this number, fine, what will happen? If 18 is added to the number, the digit interchange its place. Meaning, as soon as 18 is added to the original number, the digits will interchange the place. Matlab reverse. So, what we have taken x place will become y and x. So, according to this, what will be the number? What will be the number, students? It will be 10y plus x. This is a reverse number. So the meaning of the second condition is when 18 is added to the number, whatever number will obtain, it will be reverse of the original number. I hope you understood till here. So here let us put 18 plus, what is our original number? 10x plus y, correct, is equal to 10y plus x. Let us arrange them. So 10x minus x plus y minus 10y. Okay, we are taking everything on one side is equal to minus 18 is equal to, we can know, let us not take minus 18, we'll keep 18 here only. 18 is equal to 0. So this comes to what? 9x minus 9y, let us take it on the other side, minus 18. Can I divide the whole equation by 9? Yes, I can do that. So x minus y is equal to minus Now if you see, we can use first equation over here. But how? We'll manipulate this. Can I write x is equal to 8 upon y? I'll make 8 as a subject. Fine? Fine, students? So here, we will take x as 8 upon y is y only, is equal to minus 2. So now here is the place where students do maximum mistake. It comes to 8 minus y square is equal to minus 2y. I hope you understood this. Correct, students? So now rearrange and get a quadratic equation. Rather than having negative sign here, shift everything on the other side. So it will become y square. I'm shifting on the right hand side. Minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now once you get the quadratic equation, you have to split the middle term. Let us find the factors of 8, and on 8 which will add or subtract, I should get minus 2. Can you guess, students? Yes, you have guessed correctly. Y square minus below 4 2s are 8. So 4y plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Fine. Correct, students? So y minus 4 plus 2 y minus 4 is equal to 0. So we'll equate each factor with 0. Minus 4 is equal to 0 and y plus 2 is equal to 0. So if I solve this further, I get the value of y as y is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 2. We'll discard the digit because digit is not negative. So we got the units place. I think y ka value is 4. So we can get x value by substituting in 1. X is what? Is 8 upon y. Can you see here? Can you see this one? Yes. Fine. So here what will be 8 is equal to 4. So x ka value will be 2. So here we became successful in getting x as 2 and y as 4. Can you see, students? We got y as 4, correct, and x as 2. But what is the question asking? The question is asking find the number. You can see the question, find the number. What was the original number? If you recollect, this is the original number. The original number is 10x plus y, correct? The original number is 10x plus y. So original number is 10x plus y, which is 10 into 2 plus 4. That comes to how much? 24. Now you can become your own teacher. See the condition. If I add 224, the digit will get reversed. You want to check your answers? You want to check your answers, students? I will check your answer. You can check your answer easily. How? By substituting in the condition. If 24 plus 18, what is 24 plus 18? That comes to 42. It's a reverse of 24. So answer is correct. I hope you understood three sums which were there on the numbers. Kindly go through all the solved examples from Selena book. All the best. In the next class, I will solve with you all the other word problem which will be helpful to you to solve this. Let me tell you in one go, word problems are not so easy to understand. But once you practice, as you know, practice makes man perfect. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Keep practicing.